I got play.
Who's got a number, guys? Not here to stand in the way.
680.
Sir, I'm loving your work and thank you for helping me. One of my favourite numbers, the year of the protest at 680,000 out of it now. Look, I'll tell you, like to bid me 690. I promise I don't bite. I just add up the numbers. But at 680,000 out of it now, I can see you out there on the deck. One Chardonnay's beautiful, two's too many, and three's never enough on a Sunday afternoon. Yes? Thank you. Good luck to you. Two in at this stage at $690,000. Now, anyone else out there in the office can join at any stage at 690, sir. She's navigated your strategy, but I love your work. Would you squeeze a ledger at 700 for me?
700.
700. Beautiful. You'll fit in with the neighbours real well at 700,000 at 710. At 710. There it is. She's heads up at this stage at 710,000, boiling away nicely at 710. You've got the trio of bedrooms at 710,000. So, Sue, next run will add a 720?
750.
715. You're short in the stride, but you got me started, so okay, it's 715. Extend to all and sundry, but it's 715,000 out of it now. Put up the little fiver or more.
720.
720, very clear instructions at 720,000 in the kicker. That's the money, that's the number at 720. 725?
720.
725. You guys can turn up to any one of my auctions. Just loving your work at 725. 730 at one score and 10 at 7-3 up in her favour. Twice keep your eyes on this fine prize at 730.
732.
I thought you were going to say that. Okay, puts up the brace. The Winston Churchill at 732. Guys, get me straight to 35. 735. Puts up the trifecta. Haven't hit one in a long time, but you got the trifecta living here. Anastasia has increased her bid to 740,000 New Zealand dollars on that proviso. We're on the market and we sell out. Twice bid on $1 to spend internally. Last chance at 740,000 is there. 41. The fella had enough of me. He's gone. Fair enough. I understand that. At 740, will you list with Abbey and Richard? It is going. It is sold to you. Well done, man.